Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. My name is Hanmant Ladwa and in this video we are going to write a C program to demonstrate structure. So let us write the preprocessor directives hash include in angular brace we'll write standard input output .h header file. The next preprocessor directive is hash include in angular brace we'll write console input output .h header file. Now we will write void main function curly open brace, and here is the definition of main function. I'm going to define the structure definition with the keyword struct, and name of this structure I'm going to give as test. Curly open brace indicates this is the beginning of body of a structure definition, and now I'm going to declare two variables, int a and then int b, curly closing brace, and here I'm going to create the object of this test structure type and put semicolon. So whenever we put curly closing brace and semicolon, that indicates it's a termination point of definition of a structure. Now let us write CLR function, which is used to clear the screen. So in order to access the members of the structure definition, we have to use this object with dot operator. So here I can write T is an object, dot is a member access operator, and A is a member of the structure definition. So here I'm going to equate this variable A with value 10, and similarly T dot B is equal to 20. Now let us print the values of both A and B using the printf statement. Here in a printf I'm going to write in the double quotation mark the value of A is equal to %d /n end the double quotation mark, comma, here I'm going to write T dot A and put semicolon. Similarly I'm going to write the next statement for value B. So in the double quotation mark I'll write the value of B is equal to %d /n end the double quotation mark T dot B. Now we are going to write get ch function and curly closing brace for this main function. Now let us take an example when we compile and execute this program. So let me write output. So it is going to initialize variable with value 10 and 20. Then it directly prints the value of A is equal to the value of A is equal to this %d is associated with T dot A. So here T dot A is assigned with value 10. So it is going to print 10. Similarly, just because of this /n, the cursor comes down to the next line and it is going to print the value of B. The value of B is equal to this %d format specifier is associated with T dot B. So T dot B is associated with or equated with value 20. So 20 will be printed. So let us execute this program. For that, I will take you to my laptop screen.
Here you can see I have already written this program in Turbo C++ compiler to save your time. Let us compile this program by pressing Alt F9. Here you can see it is showing success. That means there is no syntax error. I'll press enter. Let us run this program by pressing Ctrl F9. Here you can see it is showing the result. The value of A is equal to 10 and the value of B is equal to 20. I hope you understood this program. If so, please write down in the comment box as understood. Thank you.